Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create gallery filters in Squarespace with gallery image hover effects. This is a fantastic way to make your image gallery stand out and add a professional, interactive touch to your website. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and projects. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Click on the specific website where you want to create these gallery filters. This will open up the editing interface for that particular site, giving you access to all the customization tools you need on the left side menu. Click on Website. This will expand a submenu with several options. From there, click on Pages and select the page that contains the gallery you want to modify. This step is important because it ensures you're working on the correct page and gallery section. Next, navigate back to the left side menu and click on Custom Code. Under this section, you'll find Custom CSS. Click on it to open the CSS editor. This is where you'll add the code that creates the filter and hover effects for your gallery images. Now, here's a helpful tip. I use a Chrome extension called Squarespace ID Finder, and it makes identifying specific IDs for Squarespace elements incredibly easy. If you don't have it yet, I highly recommend installing it to streamline your workflow. Once you have it enabled, simply click on the ID of your gallery and it will automatically copy to your clipboard. Paste that ID into the custom CSS field. Then right after the ID, type open curly brace filter, grayscale, open parenthesis, 100% close parenthesis, exclamation mark, important, close curly brace. This code applies a grayscale filter to your gallery, making all the images appear in shades of gray by default. It's a sleek, modern look that draws attention when combined with the hover effect we'll add next. Now let's add the hover effect to bring those images back to life when someone hovers over them. Copy the gallery ID again and paste it into the custom CSS field. This time, add :hover right after the ID. Then input the code for the hovering effect. Feel free to pause the video here so you can copy the exact code you need for your design. With this code in place, when you hover your mouse over any image in the gallery, it will transition back to its original full color. This creates a dynamic, engaging experience for your visitors. You can experiment with different filter effects and hover styles to find what works best for your website's aesthetic. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Save to apply your changes. Your gallery filters and hover effects are now live. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.